Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open App Store and then click at the search at the right bottom. After that, click at the search line at the top and if you have iOS 26 at the bottom. Write HUAWEI AI Life. Then click search. And you need to install the application what's called HUAWEI AI Life. Now open it. Now select your region and I don't recommend it to select United States because you may have a connection problem with this region. So let's say Ukraine. Next, agree, click at the plus and now. So allow while using the app, and the most important, click allow here to add them. And that's it. In the next video I'm going to show you how to add these earbuds to the application, so if you don't know how, you can check that video at this channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!